what is the most versatile security system and the least expensive on the market today? That's what I'm going to bring you, because we always bring you the truth about security, surveillance, and access control. And security begins with a gun. Okay, the last comment turned you off about personal defense or self-defense with a gun. I'm sorry, but the truth of the matter is we've had people over the years lose their lives due to break-ins and home invasions, and I will tell you the truth of the matter is you need to protect yourself. However, this topic today is about the most versatile security system on the market today. And full disclosure, I have been talking about and offering this software since 2006. But the thing that keeps coming up with me is cost. And people think that when you get the best that you pay more, and that is honestly not the truth. I went down to Sam's Club and I looked at the SimpliSafe display a couple of months ago, and the basic SimpliSafe system in its rawest form, which is just a security system, right? Security, a few cameras, and some door window contacts, was almost exactly the same price as this system in its rawest form. But the truth of the matter is, when you buy your first home, you move into your first apartment, typically you're just looking for protection. You're not looking for the most expensive thing on the market. You are looking for something that you can possibly expand into your next home. Or if you have a small business and you just opened up and you have a couple of doors and a couple of employees, you're looking for something that may do access control or may do security in its basic form, or just call police, fire, and medical, but you have the full intentions down the road of, hey, we're going to add on cameras. We're going to add on swipe with your phone to enter the building. We're going to add on these other options. But if you don't know what's out there, because most people are trying to sell you the latest and greatest and get you to buy everything at once, that's not what you need. You need a Lego system where you can have the basic foundation and add on what you need as your needs grow. So I'm going to share with you a couple things about this system. It will do security in its basic form. You need the main panel for security, and it will do police, fire, and medical. It will do full-time monitoring. You have an app. It's the most downloaded app in the United States today. Over 12 million people use this app. Several other companies, large brand companies, have private branded the app. They make you pay more for it because they're a large company. We don't. We just use alarm.com. We use the alarm.com basic app. And again, 12 million people use it. But, so you get a basic system. This comes with a couple door contacts, and it comes with a motion sensor. So here's your door contacts, door window contacts, and here's a motion sensor. In its basic form, that is really all you need. You're looking at about $450 for this. We have no contract. Other people charge more. Most companies have contracts. We do not. Let's say you want to add on ZWave devices. And ZWave devices may be things that automate your home. Anywhere from water sensors, open and closing valves, exterior alarms, interior alarms. ZWave has a distance, and it's that's comparable to Wi-Fi, and it's also secure. Most people don't really realize what ZWave is, but you can automate all sorts of things. I mean, from shades on your home to your front door lock, all those things can be automated. And again, you're not required to buy those. You can add them on just like Legos whenever you want to. Tilt sensors. So you have garage doors. You want to open and close your garage doors. You get a bigger home that has, a 4-car garage and 2 big doors that come up and down. Guess what? You can take the system to your new house. You can put tilt sensors on each of those doors, and you can monitor when the garage doors open or close. You can automate opening or closing the garage doors with ZWave devices like LiftMaster. So again, you're not pigeonholed into buying something from Sam's Club that's going to do one thing for you. Let's say you're a corporation. You want to add exterior doorbells. Doorbells that actually have access control. You can see, you can use a keypad to swipe with your phone. You can use a proximity card. You can use pen pads, however you want to set it up for your business. You have 1 door, not a problem. You have 60 doors, not a problem. This system we have put in the largest mortgage bank in the United States. They have 186 locations. We're putting it in all of their banks. Why? Because it's the most expandable, easily managed system out there. You want to add on, actually, what did I pull out here? Oh, if you want to add on more ZWave devices, you want to add on water sensors, you want to add on glass breaks. Let's say you want a standard resolution camera with audio exterior, standard resolution audio exterior. What about a wellness camera? You have someone that's not at your location, an indigent parent that's living somewhere else. You can put a remote camera in another home off-site and tie it to the same system. And it's also 8 megapixel camera. This is phenomenal, two-way audio. You can't do this on a SimpliSafe system. You want to add other high-res outdoor Vandal Dome turret cameras? That's what this is. So I can pull out tons of stuff. This right here, so this is a corporate video server. Let's say with your access control, you want to catch a picture every time a door opens or closes. You want to track people throughout your building. Yes, Big Brother, if you want to become Big Brother, this is a video server. Not only will it store on the video server, this is the only system that has quadruple redundancy for your video. It will store on the cloud. It will store on the camera with SD cards. It will store on the video server, and it will store on your computer. There's multiple ways to store video, and most companies charge out the wazoo for those things. Alarm.com is very, very reasonable. So you're looking at a basic system that starts around $425 to $450. Monitoring each month is about $26 a month. It does go up when you add more pieces. The most expensive thing that we do is about $50 a month, with the exception of adding access control. That's where the other companies start, about $50 a month. Don't be fooled by somebody telling you or making you think that you have to spend a lot of money for the best system on the market. This is the most versatile, most expandable security system on the marketplace today. I challenge you to find something that's any better. Hey, go check us out, please, at securityallstar.com. If you will, please like and subscribe.